Right guys, this is what you're watching. We're back on the vlogs. It's 2024. I know we've not really been keeping up with them, but I think from memory, me and Chris just had a look there. It was 21st of July, or maybe it's the first week of August. Our last sort of workshop vlog was uploaded to the GM channel. So we're going to try and get back onto it. It is difficult, so like I say, just keep supporting the channel, keep subscribing. We'll try and be more consistent this year with the YouTube, but it is a difficult task to do. So busy workshop, we've got an absolutely super busy year as well today. So I'm going to go around the workshop, show you some of the projects we're working on, meet some of the new guys as well, because I've got some new guys from last year that you probably haven't seen as well. And yeah, really excited. So for now guys, I'll see you in a second. So I'm in the office and we've got Haggy, RX-7 guy Haggy. And we've got Chris as well, who's on the...
I'm on.
What are you on?
Lemsip.
Lemsip. Look, we're
a bit ill.
But we're back to work. First week of January. And let me go around and introduce you. And we're going to share the vlogs, Chris, Haggy, myself, Tierney as well, and all the lads. So let me show you around, tell you what we've been doing this year. So we're in the Valet Bay where Dale works. McLaren's there under wraps. Got my Lambo there as well. So... you've probably seen the car wow video, which was really impressive. So fast car. Lovely R36 Passat. You might have seen a lot of these coming in. This one's sold, and this one's got that super rare brown interior. Dale's busy preparing it for the customer. I'm not sure where he is at the moment. So, but yeah, this is sort of like the quick sort of update of what's going on in the Valet Bay. So Dale spends about a week prepping the vehicles as well. Absolutely stunning cars. So we've got about 6 or 7 of these cars coming in. So if you're after Passat, hit up guys, okay? Rendog.
Alright.
2024.
2024,
Super excited?
Yeah, am I?
Good. What is it you're doing on this RS6?
Basically, we're going to modify the exhaust, fit decats to it, air filters and coil packs. It's basically going stage 1, so... Stage 2. 2
plus,
stage 2
yeah.
for this.
And you're also modifying the current exhaust system as well, aren't you?
Yeah, we're modifying the exhaust system.
So, guys and girls, this belongs to a special lady, Caroline. You'll know her because you're going to see her car next door, and she has the R8 twin turbo in rose gold. This is her daily, and she's asked us to do a stage 2 plus, which Rendog is kindly doing for us. Yep. So yeah, Rendog, I'll let you get on.
Good.
Cheers, buddy. Right guys, so we're still in the middle workshop, and Callum, I'm going to introduce you in a second, is working on Junior's Fiesta ST. So at GM we work on supercars, daily RS6s. We also work on hot hatches like this Ford Fiesta. So let me take you over and introduce you to Callum, who was here with us last year.
Alright, how you doing?
There we go. Callum's good at the camera. So Callum does a lot of racing. I think it's a Mazda he races it?
Yeah, Mazda. Okay, and it's a Caterham style car with a Mazda engine in it.
And so Callum looks after all the race cars at his stable, if you like. And he joined us last year. And what is it you're doing here, Callum?
This Ford came into GM with a turbo issue, so we've removed the turbo to send away for a refurb, and I'm currently doing a timing belt and water pump kit as well.
There we go. So how are you finding it so far?
Not too bad at all.
Yeah, nice and easy. Are you liking the Ford engines?
Aye, alright.
There we go. So that is Callum, which you'll see more of, and I'm going to let him crack on, and I'm going to go quickly and show you what else is getting done at the workshop this sort of first week back at GM. Alright guys. Right guys, back in the workshop, and I'm with Matty. You just know Matty, he's been here for a while now. Matty, what is going on with this R35 GTR?
So this R35 came in on the back of a trailer with a massive oil leak, and I've put it on the ramp. Well, it had a massive hole in the gearbox, if you just want to come have a look.
Oh, a massive hole. I wonder what that is. I know what that's off. So, Matty, the hole you're talking about.
Yes.
What is it? Oh my god. So guys, this is why you shouldn't go drifting on a 35 GTR, because now he's going to have an expensive bill. Wow. So yeah, so that's the ETS. So what is the next plans for this, and Matty?
The next plans are strip and clean it, replace the nose cone, as well, it's slightly damaged, and make sure everything's still in spec right, and
Yeah.
make sure it's good.
So as Matty explained, obviously the case is broken, this ETS, down to the customer doing some lovely donuts and drifts on a car with 4-wheel drive. So what happens with these ETS units, guys, is eventually when the car keeps sort of like wheel spinning is because this is worn out, so it goes into rear wheel drive all the time, and then eventually this locks up and smashes that, can smash this, and it can also smash the little prop here. So if you've got an R35 GTR and you think it feels a little bit loose on the rear, your ETS is probably worn, and all this needs to be either replaced or new fluids, and everything needs to be checked so it's spot on in terms of tolerances. So Matty has already stripped and cleaned the valve body, checked everything, he's put it back together. Now he's going to go on to repairing the ETS and then finding a nose cone to suit, swapping everything over, and then get the customer back on the road. So we've got Peter Supra here. So Kyle is working on this car. Kyle's the man behind the green twin turbo Hurricane we did last year for click competitions. Absolutely stunning machine. He's also done a couple of big power GTRs, Ollie's R35 and a couple other ones to name. So Kyle, little introduction, because obviously you've been here a while now, but we'll kind of stop the vlogging. What is the jobs you're doing on this car then?
So big single turbo 2JZ Supra. We're planning on pulling the engine out, going to fully forge it, make it stronger, more than 1,000 capable.
Good. So obviously it looks pretty clean on it and superb. So basically the target is just literally just to strengthen the heart.
Yeah.
And that's it. So you're looking forward to this one?
Yeah, really looking forward to this one. Nice
Cool.
clean car.
What other projects you got going at the minute then?
We've also got the Scottish GTR over there.
Yes.
We're putting the fully built engine back into it.
Yeah. Just waiting on some bits for that.
Yeah, just waiting for some more parts to get back onto that.
Cool. You're looking forward to do any more Lambos?
Yeah, plenty more.
So if you've got a Lambo and you want a twin turbo, he's your man. Alright Kyle, I'm going to let you crack on. So let's finish off with a little update on the engine room and let's see what's going on there. So this is Matt. Obviously Matt's been here for just over a year, haven't you? Nearly,
Coming up a year.
Yep. So give us 2 seconds to that shut. So Matt, this is the first engine of the year that you've been doing. I've seen the nice pictures on Facebook that you put up the other day. So tell us a little bit about sort of what you're doing on this engine and why it's here for an upgrade.
So this is in for a firing head upgrade. There was nothing wrong with the original engine. It was running completely fine, but he wants a little bit more power, and it's a good way to upgrade the engine.
Cool. So just for those who are interested, this belongs to King Arthur, and they're going for the fire ring, which we're going to show you next. This ran for about 7,000 miles with 1,900 horsepower, and I guess you're just refreshing piston rings, bearings, and then obviously you're upgrading the heads. Yeah. Let's have a look at those heads in. So Matt, for the purpose of the video, for those who don't know why we do this, could you maybe explain to them the reason behind this?
Yeah, so these replace a normal conventional gasket. The heads get sent off to be machined. These then sit in the heads like that, and it just basically provides a better sealing between the cylinders and the coolant ports.
Cool. So yeah, so basically big boy power.
Yeah, basically.
That's it. So yeah, so that's Matt, which you'll see more of him. Is there any projects you're excited to do this year? I know there's one particular one that you're really excited to do.
The Porsche.
The Porsche, yeah.
Definitely the Porsche.
So there you go. If you're looking for that Porsche, we'll update you soon what's going on with that. Cheers, Matt.
Cheers.
We've also got Caroline's Audi R8 as well. So this is an absolute monster car. She absolutely loves it, and she loves it that much that she wants more power. So she's going to go 1,600 horsepower upgrade. So she's done about 7,000 or 8,000 miles. There's a 1,000 brake car as well. Absolutely rapid, and yeah, so that's in for 1,500 to 1,600 horsepower as soon as the parts land, which will probably be in a month or so, and then we'll get cracking with that as well. Fantastic car. Look at these parts Haggie's getting for Callum's R32 GTR Skyline. Wow, Unbelievable. Let's speak to Callum.
Hello.
Man of parts.
Yes,
Tell us a
that's
little
me.
bit about this.
So these are.
We are supposed to be finishing the vlog, but I'm just
Oh,
I
yeah.
can't walk past this lot of brakes and just not say nothing
Literally
about
have
it.
just landed as well. So these are Pro 5000R. A lot of the track lads will know exactly what they are. These are designed to fit with R32 GTR, obviously with your handbrake, the drum, stuff like that. But a lovely bit of kit. And I always say, if you want a big power, and you agree with this, you need big brakes, because it's no good having all the power in the world if you can't stop. So this is a lovely
Big power, big brakes,
kit. Yeah. But yeah,
and big balls.
yeah. So these are, you'll see them on a lot of the sort of BTCC touring cars. You can interchange a lot of parts as well, but lovely bit of kit, well needed, especially for these bigger cars now. But we are AP suppliers, so yeah.
Cool, so that's it. Keeping it nice and short and sweet. So we are back with the videos, guys. Leave us some comments what you want to see. We've got a couple of videos to get out of like that we haven't getting out that we are going to get out as well. But anything you want to see, guys, just drop it on the message and we'll do our best to do. So for now, guys, I'll see you on to the next one.